Ang Honda Wave 100 ay isa sa pinakamadaling i-setup lalo na sa larangan ng Thai street bike concept. Kung sino man ang may-ari ng motor na to, shoutout sa'yo, boss.
My body went numb like a minute ago. I can't feel a thing from my head to toe. I lost my mind, man, I'm out of control. I can't stop, no.
Dati na talagang maporma ang Wave 100 kahit simpleng setup mo lang dito. Liitan mo lang ng gulong, lowered sa harap at likod, panalo na sa tindigan yan. At kahit saang shop ka maghanap, palaging merong available na pyesa para dito. Halos karamihan sa mga nagse-setup ay Wave 100 talaga ang kadalasan na binibuild, lalo na sa bansang Thailand. Maging dito sa atin sa Pilipinas ay madalas na isinasali ito sa mga motor show at racing ng mga lower CC. Hindi man ito kabilisan, pero pag kinargahan mo naman ang makina ay makikipagsabayan din talaga. Kaya kung may Wave 100 ka, wag mo nang bitawan pa yan dahil wala ka nang mabibiling brand new nito kasi phase out na siya mula noong 2015 pa. Katulad na lang din sa akin na naka-Wave 100 din. Pinakaunang motor ko noong 2011 at hanggang ngayon ay nagagamit ko pa din. Magandang pangbiyahe ang Wave 100 dahil napaka-komportable niya imaneho. Madali mo lang siyang naisisingit sa traffic dahil maliit lang siya at magaan.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold